Alright, I'm back. This is spray foam. You saw when I applied it, I sprayed it all up in here, and this is how much it expanded. So now I'm going to cut most of that off as much as I can if I can find my razor blade. I had a razor blade here somewhere. It's just a blade out of an X-Acto knife. And this started oozing about 2 hours after the rest of it had stopped. So I'm gonna get my trash can over here and start cutting. And just throw the pieces in the trash. Basically just slice it. I don't have one long enough to do it at one time, so I'm just going to have to do it a little bit at a time. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back when I've got it a little closer to level. Okay, once I cut the biggest part of it off, as you can see, this is what I found in the middle. It's basically still almost liquid. So I'm going to let this sit overnight and see what happens with it. I don't know what it'll do. But it's not looking good. Anyway, one piece of advice I'll give you, if you ever work with spray foam on blow molds or anything else, wear some latex gloves, because if you touch that stuff when it's wet, it gets on your fingers or anything else, you're basically stuck with it for a few hours until it cures and you can scrape it off, unless you want to wash your hands with acetone, which I really don't. But anyway, you can see it. We'll come back in the morning and see what it looks like. So I will see you in the morning.